So sensitive periods, they are actually very easily identifiable, and a child will give you clear signs that they are going through a particular sensitive period. So what we need to do is we need to have that knowledge, and it will be easier for us to identify it, right? So for example, when and you must have experienced your child, they ask you to read a story, and then they ask you to read the story again, and it goes on, and it might the number might be a million or something, and like they want you to read the same story over and over for the millionth time. You might get tired, but your child won't. So what is happening there? They are going through the sensitive period of language. Similarly, maybe they are showing certain obsessive compulsive behaviors. For example, again, you might be following a routine or a rhythm for your day, and then one day some unexpected guests arrive, and that's when your child throws the tantrum. So what is happening? His order got disrupted. So that is a clear sign that your child is going through the sensitive period of order. Similarly, for movement, like I said before, when they start walking, they want to walk all day long. Again, sensitive period of movement. They want to climb the stairs up and down, even when they are not able to. They want to still try and gain that control, body control. So sensitive period of movement. So these are the clear signs that children give. And once we know about the different sensitive periods, then we can easily identify